In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Obsidian. If you're organizing ideas, outlining topics, or breaking down tasks, bullet points help you keep everything clean and easy to scan. Obsidian is built on markdown, which means the formatting is quick, keyboard-friendly, and consistent across your notes. First, open Obsidian. Once it loads, head to any note you want to work in. This can be an existing note or a brand new one. The process is the same either way, and you don't need to click any special toolbar buttons to get started. To create your first bullet, place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Type a single dash, then press the spacebar. As soon as you hit space, Obsidian recognizes that dash as the start of a list and turns it into a proper bullet point. You can start typing your first list item right away. This is the markdown shorthand. Dash plus space equals a bullet. When you're ready for the next bullet beneath it, press Enter. Obsidian will automatically continue the list for you and drop a new bullet on the next line, so you can keep typing without breaking your flow. Every time you press Enter, you'll get another bullet in the same list level, making it fast to jot down a series of points. If you want to create sub-bullets, think of them as nested details under a main idea. Press the Tab key while your cursor is on the bullet you want to indent. That moves the bullet one level to the right and creates a child item under the current point. Use this to group related notes or add supporting details without cluttering your main list. If you change your mind or need to bring a sub-bullet back to the main level, press Shift plus Tab. That outdents the bullet one level to the left, returning it to the previous hierarchy. You can repeat Tab or Shift plus Tab as needed to adjust the structure until it feels just right. A couple of quick reminders as you work. The dash and space are what trigger the bullet. Enter keeps the list going, Tab creates sub-bullets, and Shift plus Tab moves them back. Keep your cursor anywhere on the line you're adjusting, and these shortcuts will apply to that bullet. That's all you need to build clean, organized lists quickly in Obsidian, and that's how to add bullet points in Obsidian. Subscribe for more tutorials.